Thanks, Jerome, but I got this.
So cool!
Yeah, you know, I only bought Gonzo just to die and go on vacation. But now we're having the time of our lives. He's like the son I never had.
Und du bist wie mein dicker Vater.
His language is so weird. It sounds like anger, repressed sexuality, and a pig being shot by a paintball.
Peter, that's German.
How do you know?
Well, I speak German. I went on an exchange trip in high school, and for some reason my parents never bought the airfare back.
Cool, we can communicate with him.
Joe, ask Gonzo where he's from.
Ganzo, woher kommst du?
Ich wurde 1942 in Düsseldorf geboren. Mein Besitzer heißt Adolf Hitler.
I heard 1942.
Peter, he just said his owner was Adolf Hitler.
Well, that can't be right.
Hitler had a what now?
Look, it's him!